get there on the B train. Millions have done it mainly for one reason, which isn't why I'm going.
In a cold New York City, I'm Greg Mocker in Mock Revolution. It got down to about 12 degrees at night lately here in the Bronx. It warmed up maybe today to about 40. It's been cold.
The neighborhood sits in the shadows of Yankee Stadium. It's 2 blocks away right off the B train. When you sit on these front porches, I bet you can hear whenever a player sends it out of the park.
There are houses from a long time ago and apartment buildings that seem to be even older.
There are people outside, but I won't ask them about the home run because of the ruined home.
They came out here quick. They came out here, but by the time they got here, damage was already done,
Their voices echo a certain and complete sadness. 10 people died in this fire, 9 kids and 1 of their mothers. An old space heater caught fire. The smoke detectors did not have batteries. You can hear the kids playing. They're even giving away hot tea.
My kids used to play with their kids.
Imagine the echo from that night. School kids sent over part of this mural. I noticed the handprints. The New York Yankees say they will pay for the burial of these people, their 10 neighbors.
The cause of this fire is listed as a string of catastrophes, and unfortunately I have stood out here too many times and told you this story and then said, please check your smoke detector. And even I didn't go home and do it. So now, I'll wait. Go check your smoke detector. And if there were not batteries in it, please write yourself a note to get that on the way out. Greg Mocker at Mock Revolution, New York.